and welcome back to the 7-Day Prayer Challenge. We are on day 5, and today's prompt is to pray for your church family. Now, if you regularly attend a church, then you'll know how impactful your church family can be. And you'll know that the support and the encouragement that they provide, I know personally they do to me. And I hope that's the way for you as well. But maybe someone else needs encouragement. Maybe the church as a whole needs encouragement. Maybe you're doing something really, really big in your church. Like, I know personally we just finished a city center and we're launching all sorts of new things, but maybe that church family just needs encouragement. And maybe they need a little bit of boost from God, and God just wants you to ask. So today I challenge you to pray for your church family. Maybe you're thinking of someone specific in your church. Maybe you're thinking of a group of people. But I really encourage you, what is your heart telling you to pray for today? Pray for your church family. So let me know how this goes. Be sure to tag me at Allie Scraps if you have a specific prayer or if you make something out of the free printables. But be sure to let me know how this is going. You can do it.